Hello and welcome to Afzal Learning. Hope you are doing good and well. In this video, we will cover the basic concept of communication system and explore the different types of communication systems used in electrical engineering. The content of this short video includes 1. What is communication system? 2. History of communication system. 3. Block diagram of communication system. 4. Types of communication system. 5. Application of communication system. So let's get started. 1. What is basically a communication system? The word communication comes from the Latin word communicare, which means to share. So communication system is process in which set of components are arranged in such a manner in order to share the information from transmitter to receiver with the help of channel. 2. History of communication system. In past message have been carried by runners and pigeon, drum beats, torches and smoke in order to communicate remotely, but this is limited to certain distance. The history of communication systems in electrical engineering traced back to the late 19th century, when the first electrical telegraph was developed. This paved the way for the development of other communication systems, such as the telephone, which was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. In the early 20th century, radio communication was developed, allowing for wireless communication over long distances. This paved the way for the development of commercial radio broadcasting and the creation of the first commercial radio stations. In recent years, the rise of mobile technology has led to the development of cellular communication systems, which allow people to communicate wirelessly on the move. 3. Block diagram of communication system. A block diagram is a visual representation of a communication system that depicts the various components and their interconnections. The following is a general block diagram of a typical communication system. Source. The source is the origin of the information to be transmitted. It can be a person speaking into a microphone, a computer sending data, or a video camera capturing images. Transmitter. The transmitter takes the input signal from the source and converts it into a form suitable for transmission. This involves encoding the signal into a format that can be transmitted over a communication channel, such as amplitude modulation, AM, or frequency modulation, FM. Channel. The channel is the medium through which the information is transmitted. It can be a wired connection, such as a coaxial cable, or a wireless connection, such as a radio frequency, RF, signal. Receiver. The receiver takes the signal from the channel and converts it back into a form that can be used by the destination. This involves decoding the signal, such as demodulating an AM or FM signal. Destination. The destination is the end point of the communication system, where the information is received and used. It can be a person listening to a radio broadcast, a computer receiving data, or a television displaying a video. 4. Types of communication system. In electrical engineering, there are several types of communication systems. Analog communication. This type of communication involves the transfer of continuous signals, such as electrical voltages or currents, to convey information. Digital communication. This type of communication involves the transfer of digital signals, such as binary signals, to convey information. Wireless communication. This type of communication involves the transfer of information through wireless channels, such as radio frequency, RF, or infrared, IR, signals. Cellular communication. This type of communication involves the transfer of information through cellular networks, such as those used by mobile phones. Satellite communication. This type of communication involves the transfer of information through satellites orbiting the Earth. Optical communication. This type of communication involves the transfer of information through light signals, such as those used in fiber optic communication systems. Broadside communication. This type of communication involves the transfer of information from a central source to a large number of receivers, such as in a television or radio broadcast. Network communication. This type of communication involves the transfer of information between devices connected in a network, such as in a local area network, LAN, or a wide area network, WAN. 5. Application of communication system. Communication systems are used in a wide range of applications, some of which are as follows. Telecommunication. Communication systems are widely used in telecommunications, including telephone networks, mobile networks, and the internet. They allow people to communicate with each other through voice, text, and data. Broadcasting. Communication systems are used in broadcasting, including television and radio broadcasting. They allow information and entertainment to be transmitted to a large audience over long distances. Computer networks. They allow computers to exchange data and communicate with each other. Communication systems are used in wireless communication, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular networks. They allow devices to communicate with each other without the need for a physical connection. Control systems. Communication systems are used in control systems, including industrial control systems and building automation systems. They allow devices and systems to exchange information and respond to changes in the environment. Navigation and positioning. Communication systems are used in navigation and positioning systems, including GPS and GNSS. They allow devices to determine their position and navigate using satellite signals. In conclusion, the field of electrical engineering heavily relies on effective communication systems to transfer information and connect devices. We have explored the various types of communication systems, including analog, digital, wireless, cellular, satellite, optical, broadcast, and network communication. Understanding these different systems and how they work is essential for anyone interested in electrical engineering. We hope that this video has provided a comprehensive overview of the basics of communication systems and electrical engineering. If you have any question or have any doubt, please comment us below or contact us through email. We will answer your question. Also, please like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel of Sol E Learning for more informative videos on electrical engineering. Thank you so much.